You probably think the pills you take every day are keeping you safe. But what if some of them are quietly destroying your vitality, energy, and confidence, one dose at a time? Millions of men have no idea that common medications can interfere with blood flow, hormones, and desire. Stay until the end, because this video reveals which everyday drugs might be affecting your body more than you realize, and what you can actually do about it. Let's be honest, most men take at least one pill every day without thinking twice. Maybe it's for blood pressure, cholesterol, or to stay healthy. But what if those same pills were slowly draining your energy, focus, and confidence without you ever noticing? Research now suggests that some of the most common prescription drugs could quietly disrupt the delicate balance of blood flow, nerve function, and hormones that your body depends on. Here's what's really happening. A healthy response in your body, whether physical, emotional, or intimate, relies on three key systems: circulation, the nervous system, and hormonal balance. When one of those gets disrupted, the others quickly follow. Some medications are known to tighten blood vessels, others block nerve communication, and a few even reduce your body's ability to make essential hormones like testosterone. Over time, that combination can leave you feeling off, even if your doctor says your test results look fine. Statistically, it's estimated that around 60% of adult men in the US take at least one prescription medication each month, and 1 in 5 take 5 or more. That means the odds are high that you, or someone you know, is feeling side effects that nobody connects to medication. According to new data, men who regularly take certain common drugs may be up to 80% more likely to experience issues with blood flow and energy regulation. The reason isn't just coincidence. These drugs may interfere with the biological pathways that keep your system functioning smoothly. Take beta blockers, for example. They're life-saving medications that protect your heart and lower blood pressure. But they also slow down the sympathetic nervous system, the same system that controls the signals between your brain and the rest of your body. When that system is dulled, blood vessels may not relax as easily, reducing circulation where it matters most. In simple terms, your body can't perform optimally if blood flow is restricted. Then there are statins, the cholesterol-lowering drugs millions rely on every day. Cholesterol is often labeled the villain, but here's the twist. It's also a building block for testosterone. When cholesterol drops too low for too long, your hormone production can slow down, affecting not just physical health, but mood, focus, and desire. It doesn't happen to everyone, but at higher doses, this link becomes more noticeable. Even something as innocent as daily aspirin use has raised eyebrows. While it's often prescribed to protect the heart, some research suggests that long-term use may interfere with nitric oxide, a molecule responsible for blood vessel relaxation. Without proper nitric oxide activity, circulation becomes less efficient, and your body may feel sluggish or unresponsive. Still, no one should ever stop such medication without consulting their doctor. The benefits often outweigh the risks. Diabetes drugs like metformin present another paradox. They help regulate blood sugar and protect long-term health, yet they can also deplete vitamin B12, a key nutrient for nerve function and hormonal stability. When nerve communication weakens, it affects more than reflexes. It changes how your entire body reacts to stimulation and recovery. So, what can you actually do about it? First, talk openly with your doctor. Many men hesitate out of embarrassment, but it's one of the most important conversations you can have. There are often alternative medications or lower dose options that maintain health benefits without compromising your body's natural balance. Second, strengthen what your medications can't replace: your lifestyle. Regular exercise, nutrient-rich food, and consistent sleep are powerful tools for restoring energy and hormone balance naturally. Small habits like reducing stress before bed, staying hydrated, and including magnesium or zinc-rich foods can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels day to day. And finally, pay attention to your signals. Fatigue, low mood, and declining motivation aren't just part of aging. They're your body's way of asking for balance. In many cases, what feels like a loss of strength or drive can be traced back to a fixable cause, and addressing it could completely transform your energy, confidence, and long-term health. So don't ignore the signs your body is giving you. Medications can save lives, but understanding how they interact with your hormones, nerves, and circulation could help you reclaim the vitality you thought was gone. If this message resonates with you, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your awareness might just help someone else regain control of their health and confidence.